nights. We could just run them red lights. There ain't no reason to stay.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we held at the twilight